Gurudev, Jai Maharshi. Today, in this video, I am going to explain you an easiest way to draw a magic square of order 4 by 4 with the sum more than 34 of any number of your choice. You can take 40, 44, 48, 46, 149 or any number you can take. More than 34, it should be more than 34. Because 1 to 16, if you want 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 16, if you will 8, I make a magic square, there's some, its sum will be 34. So we have to, in bigger number, more than 34, we have to take some other number. So sum will be more than 34. If you less than 34, it will work, but it will give some negative numbers. So this your magic square will be with negative numbers also, integers. So for positive, you should take some more than 34 number. And next slide, we are going to next slide is this. Actually, this is the master table. Here, all number will be taken in this form, and value of P, Q, S, R will be taken by the formula given on the next slide. So, if you want to note down in paper, P 1, 12, 7, 11, 8, S 2, 5, 10, 3, R 4, Q 6, 9. And better if you take this P, S, R, Q, write these number with pencil. First see this video and then again repeat it and then draw this magic square in this stage. You understand? You should write P, A, S, R, Q, these numbers in pencil so that you can rub and write the number, any number, with the pencil. So again and again you can use the same this table for many time. Otherwise you have to draw again and again, so it will take time. And so just only this PQRS you should write in. We have to calculate the value of PQ, right? PQSR, and substitute here, your magic square will be ready. Now how to calculate the PQR? So suppose your friend or you yourself taking some number, say 56 or 96 or 27. No, not 27, it is less than 34. You will get negative number, it will work, but you will get more than 34, 47 suppose. You can take any number. I am taking multiple of 4 for the exam, for my 2 examples. It will be easy for us. Now, next step is how to get the values of PQRS. Here if you should take T is equal to 52. T means total. T means total, that is sum. Is sum. So earlier in this table, it was the sum is total. T stands for sum. Sum of rows, each rows, sum of each column and each diagonal will represent this T. So T is equal to, we have taken 52. Now if you keep t is 52 here, then what will happen? Minus 20 means 32. The value of p is obtained 32. After getting the value of p, we will calculate rest of the value with p and then with q, and then again using this pq value we will use rest of the number. P is select obtained, it is 32. When sum is, the sum is total, total you can consider, total is 52. So t is 52 minus 20, that is 32, and 32 you keep here. Q 33 and R 34, Q plus 1, and S is equal to this 32 PQ value. Here we obtain 32, P 32 minus 1 means 31. So this is 33, 34, 31, and this is 32. So these four number we have to enter in the next. So again calculation is, so what we'll do, we'll copy the thing, calculate the value of PQRS for his formula given in above. We have done that, and then replace PQRS by their values calculated in previous table, and final magic square is table 5 will be obtained. Here we have taken P is the sum total, that sum is taken 52. This is our sum we have taken, that is 52, or t value of t is 52. So we get value of q, here it is 32, and p plus 1 is 33, r is your q plus 1, 33 plus 1, 34. Very simple. And value of s is p minus 1. P is 32, so minus 1 is 31. So this calculation I am explaining you here. So the value of p is 32, replace this p by 32, replace this q by 33, s by 34, and r by 31. The first row, first column. Then fourth row, second column. Then second row, third column. And this is third row, fourth column. So these numbers we have to replace by these numbers. Next stage we are replacing the number and updating this value. Now you can check whether the sum is 52 or not. 32 plus 1 is 33, plus 12, 45, plus 7, 52. We have actually subtracted 1, 7, 12 plus 7. That is 1 plus 13, 1 plus 12, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. This 20 was subtracted actually. Here also 11 plus 5 plus 4. It is 20. So we selected this number with the help of these numbers, or with the help of these numbers. The sum is 20 here, sum of the three number, and the sum is of three number is here also 20. So these are those. We have taken 52 minus 20 will give 52 only. So sum is coming 52. Here 11 plus 8, 9, 19, 19 plus 31, 50 plus 2. You can do otherwise also. Here also 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. Here also this is 5 plus 10, 10, 15 plus 3, 18 plus 34, 52. So here 34, 33 plus 4 we are taking. It is 37 plus 6, 43, 43 plus 9, 52. Diagonal also you can do yourself. 31 plus 10, I am doing this. 31 plus 10, 41 plus 7, 48 plus 4, 52. So we are getting a magic square of the sum of our choice. Sum is getting our choice. Now I am taking another say sum that is t. Value of t is 40. Sum is 40 means total is 40. So next you know that rule, so I am skipping it. Value of p, q, r we have to select on the basis of the formula. We are on next sheet. You can rub your that table drawn previous values with sum 52. Write that thing in pencil or then rub it. Value of this here is t is 40. We are taking t is 40. 40 minus 20 is 20. So value of p is 20, q is 21, r is 22, and this s is 20 minus 1, that is 19. So here calculation is coming. This 20, 40 minus 20, 21, 12, 7, ये 20 हुआ. यह 11, 5, 4 is 20. So 40 minus 20. This 40 is this sum. This sum is, we are taking 40 here, this value. Here 40. 40 minus 20, 20. Then q is p plus 1, 21. We are getting here, we are calculating here 22 q plus 1, and then p minus 1. S is p minus 1, that is 19. Replace this value, you will get this magic square. Its sum is 20 because 1 plus 12, 13 plus 7, 20 plus this 20. So 40. And here you can check this diagonal this time. 7 plus 19, 26 plus 10, 36 plus 4 is 40. So it is very interesting and amazing. You will not find anywhere in the book, or rarely you will find on even web also. So this is one of the magic square. You can make magic square taking of number of your choice. So this is the master table. You can copy and proceed with the formula p, whatever the sum, the value of p will be the sum minus 20, and then calculate the value of q, p plus 1, and r, q plus 1, and s, p minus 1. Simply you remember this thing and you write this with the marker all the values, numbers, and this p, q, r, s, keep the blank. Don't tell this all this method, and calculate mentally or in rough somewhere hiding the thing, so you can play trick with your friends and colleagues, and you can amaze them. I hope it is a very funny way to for the recreation batch, or you can say fun magic, magic of the mathematics. Best of luck. I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा, और इसे लाइक करें, शेयर करें, कमेंट करें. थैंक यू वेरी मच. जय गुरुदेव, जय महर्षि.